Hi dear students, in today's English grammar class, I would like to teach you about tenses. Some of you will be asking, ma'am, what are tenses? What is it? Can you please teach me more about it? Okay, I am here for teaching you. Tenses indicates the time of action or an event. Mainly there are three types of tenses are there. Present tense, which is going on now. Past tense, which is happened, already completed, and future tense, which will be happening in future. These are the main three tenses. Which are they? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay. In present tense, simple present tense, it indicates what is going on. Okay. So in simple present tense, the verbs indicate the habits and general truth. We use simple present tense to indicate the habits and general truth. For example, the sun shines in the east. I go for walk every day. These are some of the examples for simple present tense. The verbs in simple present tense indicate habits and general truth. In this case, the verb simply ends with s or es. In this case, the verb simply ends with s or es. So what is a verb? Verb is the action which we are doing. For example, Jimmy plays in the garden. Here, what is Jimmy doing? Jimmy plays. Here, plays is the verb. Play is the verb. It is a simple present tense. So, we have added s with play. So, we got plays. Jimmy plays in the garden. This sentence is in the form of simple present tense. This sentence, the verb plays indicate an action which is happening in present. And the next one which we are studying next is simple past tense. The verbs in simple past tense indicate the action that happened in the past. Here the action is already completed. So, in this case, the verb simply ends with ed. For example, Jimmy played in the garden, which is already completed. Here the verb is play. So it is in simple past tense. So we have added ed with play. So we got played. Okay. The action is already completed. So it is in the form of simple past tense. So we have added ed with the verb play. So we got played. Next we are going to learn about simple future tense. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in the future. That means an action in future which has not started. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in future. So, in this case, the verb simply added with will. Before the verb, we have to add will. See the sentence here. Jimmy will be playing in the garden. In this sentence, the verb is will be playing. it is in the form of simple future tense. The action in future what has not started. Let's see few more examples for simple present tense. Here the sun rises from the east. This is in the form of simple present tense. So we have added s with rise. The verb rise is added with s as it is in the form of simple present tense. What about this sentence? Jimmy planted beautiful saplings in the park. Here the action is already completed. So we added ed with the verb plant. So we got planted. So this sentence is in the form of simple past tense. Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Can you tell me which type of sentence is this? This is simple future tense. How do we know that? Because here the verb eat is added with will or shall. It indicates the action which will be happening in future. So this sentence is in the form of simple future tense. Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Okay, thank you, Shreya.